EA's report, published today, assesses the country's preparedness and ability to cope with the variety of risks that climate change poses to the country. Emma Howard Boyd, chair of the agency, sent a stark warning that urged immediate action. She said, "It is adapt or die." EA's report points out that the hundreds of deaths in Germany as a result of severe flooding could be seen in the UK too if we do not change our ways. Ms. Howard Boyd said, "Some 200 people died in this summer's flooding in Germany. That will happen in this country sooner or later, however high we build our flood defenses, unless we also make the places where we live, work and travel resilient to the effects of the more violent weather the climate emergency is bringing." The organization stressed that the UK needs to fix up its act if it is to become more resilient to increasingly extreme weather. Environment Department DEFRA has said it was taking key measures to protect the UK from the impacts of climate change. Currently, we are heading towards a rise in the global average temperature of nearly 3°C by the end of the century. The UN's IPCC report, which issued a Code Red for humanity and urged instant action, warned that this temperature rise will be catastrophic. But while a 3°C rise is predicted to cause devastation, even 2°C rise would come with serious consequences, according to DEFRA. It projected that a 2°C would bring winter rainfall up by 6% by the 2050s and 8% by the 2080s, compared with 1981 to 2000. It also predicted that by the 2050s, peak river flows could soar by 27% while summer flows plummet by as much as 82%. Scientists have already warned that ignoring the climate crisis will yield untold suffering for humanity and even bring about the end of the world as we know it. They say that although climate change will not directly cause an extinction event, that it could play a huge role, such as by leading to food and water scarcity, which has the potential to trigger a societal collapse and set the stage for global conflict. But Ms. Howard Boyd said that not all hope is lost. She said, "We can successfully tackle the climate emergency if we do the right things, but we are running out of time to implement effective adaptation measures. With the right approach, we can be safer and more prosperous. So let's prepare, act and survive."